Do you remember these? Photo albums? Those were a lot of fun. Great memories, right? You've got all those thousands of digital pictures that you want to keep. Are you adding your digital photos to an album? Well, that won't work, will it? What are you going to do with your digital pictures on your phone? Let's go to the store to get them printed off and put them in frames. How much? Who's got that much money? You've written your book. Let's call an agent or a publisher. They'll help. Give you a big advance, right? I can tell you how. I can show you how to self-publish any book or ebook for free. I can tell you how I used my pictures and wrote 6 children's books. Get your family involved. Make a brag book for your parents like I did. That's just one idea. I promise you, if I can do it, you can do it. Hi, I'm Jeff Joslin, and if you're watching this, that means you're above ground, and you have an opportunity to help yourself, others, and to make this world a better place. And yes, that's right, I did publish 7 books in 9 months. That's right, you'll be a publisher, an author with your own book, your own author site that can reach millions around the world, and you'll get up to 70% royalties on your books. While you have this time with your family, make some memories, maybe write and publish a book or 2. You have no excuse, so check out my online course, How to Self-Publish Your Book. You won't regret it. Like the old proverb says, give a man a fish and he'll eat for a day. Teach him to fish and he'll eat for life. So don't wait. Get started today. But wait, there's more. There's really not. I just have always wanted to say that. See you inside.